Hello, so today I have purchased MI truck builder, and because I was shorting with the pieces from Lego mindstrome EV3, so I thought it is the same as the EV3. So I just purchased this, and this is the user manual to build this one. These two projects we can build, and let's see what are the pieces we have. User manual, how to use this one, not any use for me. So many J-beam, gears, pulley, edge connectors, lot of things. I mean, for the 1500 rupees it is worth. This one also, again small connectors and side connectors. Okay, and the plates and O-frame we have over here with the normal beams, straight beams. Nice stuff. I mean, it is value for money. It is worth. And here the main thing, because pegs, long pegs, axle peg and normal pegs, friction, without friction, both are there. Nice. 3x5 is also there. Eye connector is also there. Small 2 module axle is there. Okay. And here we have H frame, axles. Okay, we have different types of axle, and one we have this rubber also. And here we have total 1 2 3 4 5 6 tires, so that we can build. And actually it is value for money, see. So thank you so much. If anyone wants to purchase this one, so they can go from MI store. On MI store it is for the 1500 rupees. Okay.